I had something else in mind.
Yikes!
Come on, you lugs. Unbolt that stereo and chuck it over here. Come on, move it. All right, Ralph, bring in the bird bath.
Voila! A bird's paradise. I kind of liked it the way it was, if you ask me.
The overall design allows Harry to live exactly like he would back in West Pullman.
Very impressive.
The cost? 15,000 Wernicks. But who can put a price on the welfare of the one and only remaining West Fellman smoke bird?
Can I afford this, Flo?
Thanks for sparing the bed. Whoa!
The West Fellman smoke has a very distinct mating call. Hickey-hickey-ha! Hickey-hickey-ha!
Say, Harry, would you do that for me if I stuffed you and put you in a clock?
I'm a bird. This is what birds do.
I'm a Gordon. This is what Gordons do.
Is there a problem here?
No problem. Just getting accustomed to life with Harry.
I appreciate your enthusiasm, son, but that bath is custom-made for birds.
No need to get your feathers ruffled, Thor. You're right. I'd much rather hear the sound of a West Fellman smoke bird being strangled.
Oh, Lord! I'd like to hear Bird Town. Oh, now that's what I call music.
I'm glad to see you're exercising, Harry. It's good for the feathers. Let's try the stress test.
All right, young man. I've been more than generous with my warnings.
What are you gonna do? Give me a ticket? Ouch! Ouch! Oh! Ah! Oh!
How long do you have to wear that ticket, Gordon?
Forever!
Listen, isn't there any way I can plea bargain this thing?
I suppose we could be a little merciful on the first offense. We'll make it a 14-hour ticket.
14? That's it. I'm leaving.
Harry Shumway?
You want the bird? He's upstairs. Where I used to sleep.
You, Everett!
Ah.